Hi, welcome to Alpha Digital Recommends YouTube channel. We are here with another digital video. We make daily top 5 best products video for you. So, if you did not subscribe our channel yet, go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you cannot miss any important video. An action camera is much more compact than a standard point and shoot or DSLR. One of the main advantages of action cameras is portability. Most of them are small enough to fit into the palm of your hand. So, if you are looking for an action camera and wanted to know which is best for you, you are at the right place. In this video we have rated top 5 action cameras for you from better to the best. We also gave the purchasing links to them in the description of this video. So let's get into it. Number 5. Akaso EK7000. Akaso EK7000 is professional 4K 25fps and 2.7K 30fps video camera. With 12MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. It's a wireless wrist remote control sports camera. With a wrist 2.4G remote, you can capture the world in an all-new way. Its 100 feet waterproof camera, Akaso EK7000 is designed to withstand extreme environments, together with durable waterproof case. Akaso EK7000 action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. Each battery can record up to 90 minutes. No more worry about the recording time for this action camera. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action. DJI Osmo Action is a 4K action cam, 12MP digital camera with 2 displays, 36 feet underwater waterproof Wi-Fi, and HDR video with 145 degrees angle. Osmo Action's dual screens allow you to capture it all with the touch of a button. A vivid front screen lets you frame yourself effortlessly in any setting, while the back screen delivers a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display. This durable, versatile action camera is jam-packed with advanced technology that lets you spend less time worrying about equipment and more time living the action. Its rock-steady technology combines EIS with complex algorithms, delivering stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. It has 1.3 CMOS sensor, 12MP, wide-angle 145 degrees that allows you to shoot 4K HDR videos. Osmo Action capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail when you use 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 fps. Number 3. GoPro HERO2. GoPro HERO2 is a waterproof action camera with touchscreen, 4K Ultra HD video, 12MP photos and 720p live streaming stabilization. It gets gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. HERO2 corrects for camera shake to deliver insanely smooth footage. It captures super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move about a scene. Increase the speed up to 30x to turn longer activities into shareable moments. It gives live streaming in 720p. Live stream in 720p on social. Get hyper-smooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app and save footage to your SD card to check out later. You can share experiences you can't capture with your phone. HERO2 is rugged, waterproof without housing to 33 feet and up for any adventure. Get brilliant photos automatically. With Super Photo, HERO2 intelligently applies HDR, local tone mapping or noise reduction to optimize your shots. Number 2. GoPro HERO8. GoPro HERO8 is waterproof action camera with touchscreen, 4K Ultra HD video, 12MP photos, and 1080p live streaming stabilization. HERO8 has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high, and boost. Get the widest views, or boost to the smoothest video ever offered in a Hero camera. Works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling. The reimagined shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant compared to previous models. Vloggers, pro filmmakers and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with our HERO8 mods. Media Mod gives you shotgun mic performance and lets you attach light mod and display mod to up your capture game. Record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo or an amazing, shareable video. Number 1. Sony RX0 II. Sony RX0 II is a sensor ultra-compact camera. It's a $700 video-centric GoPro-shaped camera that could perhaps be called a travel camera or a vlogging camera. When the stars align, it shoots stunning footage. When they don't, it'll leave you scratching your head. The RX0 II can shoot video at 4K at speeds up to 30 fps or 1080p video at 120 fps. Both the GoPro Hero 6 and Hero 7 can shoot double at 4K 60 and 1080p 240, but the Sony has some tricks the GoPro doesn't. For starters, it shoots video at a higher bitrate, which effectively crams more quality into your clips. In addition to Sony's very smart intelligent auto mode, which basically chooses all the settings for you. If you switch to a manual mode, you can gain a lot of granular control over the image. Something camera geeks will be happy to see is that the RX02 can now shoot in the S-Log 2 picture profile.